Okay, so we've got Trixie at it again. She wants to create another arithmetic sequence. This time our sequence generator we're given as -17. Remember, that's your slope or your common difference. And we're also given the 16th term of 93. So that tells us T of 16 is 93. So we want to find out if it's possible to create an arithmetic sequence to fit her information. If it is possible, find the equation. If it's not possible, we want to explain why. And there's a hint here, and the hint says use the sequence generator of -17 as the slope of a possible arithmetic sequence equation. Convert T of 16 equals 93 into an ordered pair and substitute it into the equation with the sequence generator as the slope. In other words, we're kind of working from like step 3 in the previous problem. We want to make that T of 16. Let me get my pen back here. We want to make T of 16 equals 93 and convert that to an ordered pair. So that's going to be the point 1693. We are also told, so this is like our, remember in our previous problem, that's going to be our x and our y. Okay, remember that's what it means when you have the value given to you in that form. We are also told what our slope is, right? We're told that our generator, which is the same as your common difference, which is the same as your slope, those are all the same thing, is -17. So we can think of that as our b in our equation. So we have x, y, I'm sorry, not b, m. We have x, y, and m. So if we look at our y equals mx, not y, sorry, t of n equals mx plus b. Now we can plug some things in. So I know what b is, okay? I'm sorry, I don't know what b is. I know what m is. M is -17. And I know what x and y are. Now, I'm going to use y here just to make it a little bit easier to plug into, right? So I have y is 93, and I have x is 16. So if I write all of that out, I'm going to have 93 equals -17 times 16 plus b. Now, you're probably going to need your calculator for this. So we're going to have 93 equals -17 times 16 is going to be -272 plus b. And now just a matter of adding 272 to both sides so that you can get b by itself. So 93 plus 272 is going to be 365. So 365 is our b term. So our sequence would be written as T of n equals mx plus b. So m is -17, x, and then b is 365. So then that's our equation. So T of n equals -17x plus 365. Once again, please make sure you show your work.